Hi guys. Still in your houses. I can see. We're doing something different. It's called In the Cloud Challenge. You guys are gonna be blindfolded. So you have to rely on your spatial awareness.
Okay.
So put out your blindfolds. Yep. Put it over your eyes and then make a double knot. Make sure it is secure and comfortable. If all's good, then I think we're ready. Are we ready?
Let's go!
I think it is a conflict because we are accustomed of being physically present with the choreographer and the other dancers.
Okay guys, so we're here now. It can get a bit disorienting at start, but don't worry because this is easy. I'll try my best to explain as thoroughly and as detailed as possible. Yeah, let's get into it. You go right, left, groove, loop, left, center, in.
The whole blindfold thing really surprised me because I don't usually pick up super fast.
It's very different. First of all, we couldn't see.
Coach,
Yo, what up?
ano yan camera, coach?
Roll, and put up my shirt twice. Nice.
It was very difficult to learn the choreography in virtual classes. It's a whole different vibe for me.
Main challenges ko is yung pag-a-analyze po ng steps sa mga words na ine-explain ni Coach. Nag-choke ako, Coach.
Malala.
Oo, Coach. Nag-freestyle ako.
I got disoriented twice, and honestly, I didn't know that I was facing the wall already.
So Julia is facing the wall now. That's okay, come back to earth. So I'm gonna go up and left. Yeah. Right, down, right and left. Elevator. Push back with the right. Nice. Good job, guys. Throw to melting pose. 5, 6, 7, and you wanna go. Hit 6, 7. Hey, and that's it. Nice one, guys.
Having to take online dance classes is having the freedom of doing what you love at the safety of your own home.
And you have a big advantage of learning the choreo at your own time, at your own pace.
Alright, let's connect it from the top. Ready?
Another day from home, it's a whole new zone. In the cloud we meet, it's time to take a seat. Proud to work from home, it's us in the zone, yeah. Cock-a-doodle-doo with my morning brew. Mom and dad in Zoom, while baby Lizzie eat. Clicking peas, eat some most, bro and sis type some notes. It's all happening in the home, I'm getting mind blown. It's time to work from home. Work from home, it begins with us. There ain't no fuss. Yeah. This is a new comfort zone. And it's all you good test us. Working out with the peeps, memories up for keeps. Dance classes, old trips with the chips and the dips. Yeah, we dance through the hood. It's us in the nook, proud to work from home. Our ridiculous zone. It's time to work from home. Work from home. It begins with us. There ain't no fuss. Yeah. This is a new comfort zone. And it's all you do. Test us.
Let's get it!
This proves that distance does not hinder us and our passion to continuously grow.
No matter if it's physical or through the internet, nothing will stop the passion as long as you have the drive for it.